As you go through this show, it's visually amazing.
We want to do something different, something that people of Hong Kong can call their own.
People will want to go on it time and time again.
一種全新體驗即將出現喺香港迪士尼樂園，從夢想到實踐，由華特迪士尼幻想工程呈現。呢個充滿笑聲嘅世界裏面，有220個玩具木偶，240個人形木偶，一個有史以嚟最快樂嘅水上之旅。小小世界，一個環繞地球嘅奇妙旅程。小小世界由華特迪士尼喺1966年為最早期嘅迪士尼樂園設計，從此成為所有迪士尼樂園嘅特色，並延續下去。華特迪士尼幻想工程師加插咗好多新嘅特色，為我哋製造咗獨一無二嘅小小世界。
We have a number of new scenes, like the Asia scene is over 2 times larger than any Asia scene we've ever done.
38個迪士尼朋友現身其中，以全新造型同大家見面。
I think it would be fun as the guests too, as they're riding through, and they can sort of challenge each other. Did you see Pocahontas or did you see Mulan? And then they'll want to ride it again to see who they missed.
當然唔能夠唔提呢首歌，我哋邀請咗來自不同地方嘅小朋友，以廣東話、普通話、菲律賓嘅塔加拉語同韓語，唱出呢一首迪士尼最膾炙人口嘅歌曲《小小世界》。我哋最新嘅室內遊樂設施，4月28號喺香港迪士尼樂園正式開幕。